What happens when we cut trees? Soil gets eroded due to wind and rain. Did you know one dust storm can erode up to 300 million tons of unprotected topsoil? When the soil, after being exposed to harsh sunlight, becomes compact and hard, it prevents water from seeping deep into the soil and recharging groundwater levels. It also prevents fresh air from entering the soil. As a result, millions of microorganisms which depend on this fresh air and water start dying. Leaf litter makes soil loose and porous, enhancing infiltration of water at deeper levels and recharging groundwater tables. Trees absorb atmospheric carbon and pump it into the soil. Millions of microorganisms, fungi and bacteria depend on this carbon, and they store this carbon for hundreds of years. When we start cutting down these trees, these fungi and bacteria die and in turn release this carbon dioxide back into the atmosphere. In fact, this is actually the major reasons for climate change and global warming. Fallen leaves and fruits becomes organic matter or food for the soil. This organic matter feeds millions of insects, earthworms, fungi and bacteria. Fallen leaves from trees cover the top layer of the soil, protecting it from harsh sunlight and keeping the soil moist and alive. Fallen tree leaves decompose and become manure for the soil. This reduces the need for chemical fertilizers and in turn protects the soil from salinization and acidification. Trees increase the oxygen supply in the soil. This promotes the growth of beneficial, oxygen-loving, aerobic organisms and prevents the growth of disease-causing, oxygen-resistant anaerobic organisms. As we need oxygen, water and food to survive, so does our soil. Soil is life. No trees, no soil, no life.